Doors opening.
I've done frequently.
Right, start at International, 391.52. Right, should be in for a good session here at International. Birmingham International. Next station. And there's a shop looking back at the main station. So,
the next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 11:34 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street.
well, that's what you'll see next. Let's take a seat next to 391.52, which is about to depart. 152. Now the train that was just announced should be hopefully coming in a second. But in the meantime, let's let the Lino depart. 391.52. Working up to London. Off of Edinburgh Waverley. For Avanti West Coast. And here she goes. And that's working 9 mic 50. You can tell off the doors. Yeah, 9 mic 50. This is the working up to London for this Pendolino. And there she goes. Here comes the service to New Street off of London Euston. And it's 350, 371 coupled to 350, 248. Right at Birmingham New Street. And I think that's a pretty good thumbnail shot right there. Right, 350s to depart now. It's like, could be a fast service coming through. And here it goes. This is good. Next service coming in. And there's some writing on the front. It might be, I'm just trying to see writing for the Pendolino. Oh no, there's not. But that is 390.005. Voyager to Piccadilly and Bound next. And that is Wolverhampton, 390.005. And it's working 9 Sierra 60 to Edinburgh Waverley. 390 005, all set, ready to depart.
Snowcon train
Working up to
Stockport,
Edinburgh Waverley.
Manchester Piccadilly. This train is bound on 5 coaches.
Meanwhile, Voyager! I think I'll just keep going. As we see the arrival of 221138. And as 221138 arrives, 390 005 departs. Like I said, working up to Edinburgh Waverley. Right, what's next? And here comes our train
This is a safety
in
announcement. Please take
the
care
form of 350 254, which is the unit I got up here this morning.
and ask for assistance.
It is literally what I got up here this morning. Right, that's us done here at International. Right, good session, and we're finished at Birmingham International.